Welcome to the third episode of Not So Known Locations in Istria. Today's location is Petra Pilosa Castle. Before I go any further, roll that intro. Castle is located on the west side of city Buzet in village Onti. When you make your first turn towards the village, you will be 1.4 km away and you will see the castle in front of you. After restaurant Veliože, you can park your car here or go all the way up. We decided to take a walk, Piero didn't. God damn it. Yes. Petra Pilosa Castle is located above Valley River Bracana at height of 190 meters, also known as Kostel or Kosmati Kastel, which means hairy castle. Archaeological finds tell us that humans have lived there since prehistory, when a fortified settlement was probably standing where the castle is today, while certain finds indicate that a fort might have also been erected in the Roman times, controlling the traffic on the river. Fort was first mentioned on written sources in 10th century, when Patriarch Rodoald gifted the ruined fort to Church of Porridge, which was then destroyed by Slavs and barbarians. Castle got built on very strategic position, surrounded on three sides by steep cliffs and slopes, which means it's only possible to reach it from the west side. Castle is divided on central and outside corp. Central corp consists main tower, palace and inner courtyard, with barely visible remains of the former auxiliary buildings. Outside corp, which is on the east side of the castle, also have remains of former auxiliary buildings and reserved parts on east and north side of the wall. In outdoor courtyard is located battlement called Church Saint Mary Magdalene, which got characteristic of Roman sacral architecture. I won't go into details about history because I don't want to make this all about talking, it's more what we can all see here, learn a thing or two, and to admire location with what was left to us. But if you want to know more, I will leave a link down below where I got all the information from. There are few info points. And projections, which look amazing at night. Maybe there will be some night events in 2020. Maybe.
They actually renovated all walls so they don't collapse even more, and refurbished access to all floors of the castle, so you can walk up and enjoy the view on any floor you want. Big thanks to Pučko otvoreno učilište Buzet for allowing me to enter the castle and film this video. You can check them out on Facebook for open hours and events. I will leave a link down below.
Like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever you do, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace!